The stage is set for Calgary's next great landmark building, Plaza at West District. Ideally situated in one of Calgary's most desirable suburbs, West District, Truman's most ambitious master-planned community, featuring over 5,000 homes, office, and retail, highlighted by an internationally recognized Central Park. Explore the unmatched charm and convenience that comes with life in West District. Live steps away from the best restaurants, cafes, shops, fitness studios, and everything in between. Plaza will be home to 265 residences, over 2 8-story concrete buildings, paired with stunning common gathering spaces, and set atop world-class retail shops on the ground floor. Live better with on-site amenities like the full gym, workshop, pet spa, and owner's lounge, including billiards, golf simulator, and outdoor seating areas. The interiors at Plaza showcase a symphony of hand-selected details, from luxurious spa-inspired en-suites to fully custom kitchens and built-in gourmet appliances. The 5-star hotel-inspired lobbies and common areas are finished in elements from Gucci, Hermes, and Armani Casa, inviting residents and their guests to experience the ultimate in refined living. Experience the best. The best floor plans. The best specifications. The best amenities. Live better. Live Truman.